Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Portrait Tech. Okay, and this is another color we have here. As you can see before, you probably saw another color being unboxed on my channel with the iPhone 13. But I also have this graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max that we're gonna unbox today. Okay, and this is September 24th, launch day, and we have it in hand and we're gonna do the unboxing. So this is the graphite. Alright, this is the graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's a 256 gigabyte as well. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So no more plastic, no more of those typical plastics you're used to from Apple. So we just have these tabs here we gotta pull from the back. If you see me tilting it like this, I don't want to show my information on the back here. Okay, so let's rip those tabs apart. And I have never seen one of these in person as yet. This is my first time seeing this, just like you. So let's open this. Nice and vroom. How does that look? Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, this look good?
Yeah.
Alright, so
it's nice. Yeah, man.
First thing that I notice here, these lenses are way bigger than the ones that I had on the 12 Pro Max. Because if you haven't watched my previous video that I have on the channel that shows where I gave the information telling you that I was gonna trade the 12 Pro Max for this. Well, yeah, I could notice this has a little bit, the lenses are a little bit bigger and the phone is slightly heavier as well. Thickness wise, Apple said it's a little thicker, but I don't notice it for some reason. It looks the same to me as far as thickness, but this is where I really notice a difference in the lenses. You could really see the difference, and this color is beautiful. It's graphite as they said, but it's look more like a light gray silver look. Yeah, it looks really nice, and depending on the angle you're looking at this from, it really gives you a different color effects pretty much, you know. And yeah, it looks really nice and premium. And we have the SIM tray here. It's moved up quite a bit because on the other phone it was all the way down here. And this, yeah, the 5G antenna, it seems like it's moved up as well. And these buttons here seem like they're moved up a little bit, which is our volume rockers and the silent switch. But we still have the logo in the center of the back here, and the speakers looks pretty much identical to the 12 Pro Max. But man, my 12 Pro Max was Pacific blue, and then I was pretty much confused in which color I should choose for the 13 Pro Max, but I'm quite happy with the decision here. This is really nice, and I'm sure this will go well with whatever color case that I have. And talking about cases, I'm gonna have a bunch of cases that we're gonna review on the channel, so do look out for that. So make sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are on, so you will see those videos as well. Okay, but let's dig into the rest of the box here. We have typical stuff, SIM eject tool, we have papers, fine prints, no one reads this, so we're just gonna call this no one reads this. And then this is the Apple sticker here, which is white. And I can't stress enough that they should have given us the matching color logo that's the same color as the phone. So that's something I think they should look into the future. Alright, so that's not a big deal. We're not gonna complain over that, but I'm definitely gonna complain over no charging brick. Okay, so we have a type C to lightning cable here. I have a bunch of these. What I don't have much is the bricks. Alright, which is the type C, the fast charging bricks for the Apple iPhone. But you know, the go-to place for that is Amazon. I bought a couple from Amazon that I definitely would recommend you get. I'm gonna review that as well, so make sure, as I said before, make sure you're subscribed and your notification bells are on. so you could see those review, and also I'm gonna have all the links where you can make your purchases for those as well. And those are 20-watt fast chargers, just like the Apple ones, and you get like 2 for the price that Apple sells 1 for. Okay, so this is the 13 Pro Max. Let's rip this paper off here, nice and slow. Boom, look how nice that is. Ooh, I'm not even gonna turn it on as yet. I'm just gonna put this back on so I can put my screen protector on a nice fresh screen. Okay, so if you want to see this powered on, I'm gonna have a video coming out where I'm gonna do the activation and also activate my watch. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you're subscribed for that, alright, and your notification bells are on. So if you want to see the power up, look out for that video, it's there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back on, put it back in the box, and you can go to the next video. I have the next color coming right after this, alright, and you'll see the unboxing. Look out, I'm gonna give you the color. If you're looking for the gold, that's the one that's coming. I'm gonna do the gold next, so it's there. Subscribe, go on the channel, and you're gonna see it right there. Alright, so that's just the unboxing of this one. I'm gonna have the gold coming right after this, so stay tuned. Peace.